In this video, we're going to show you how to use form logic to redirect users to custom pages. This quick tutorial will guide you through the exact steps, making it simple and easy to set up, whether you're using this for lead generation or improving your site's user experience. Stick around to the end, because I'll also share how to get an exclusive free trial for a tool that can help you do this easily, and I'll break down the key takeaway you need to remember. Let's dive in. First, let's make sure you know what form logic is. Form logic is a feature that allows you to make decisions based on the user's input and redirect them to different pages based on their responses. This is especially useful for creating custom thank you pages, segmenting leads, or even directing users to specific content. Now, the first step is to make sure you're using the right tool that has form logic capabilities. There are plenty of options out there, but today we're using a powerful tool with an intuitive interface. This software allows you to easily create forms with advanced logic without writing a single line of code. If you want to follow along, check the description for an exclusive free trial. Once you're in the tool, start by creating your form. Add your basic fields like name, email, or whatever information you need. Once the fields are in place, head over to the logic section. This is where the magic happens. Form logic allows you to set conditions based on the responses you collect. For example, if you're offering different services or products, you can ask users questions like, "What are you interested in?" And depending on their answer, the form will redirect them to the corresponding page. If they choose product A, they get sent to a page tailored for that product, and if they choose product B, they go to a different page. To set this up, create a new condition in your form builder. You'll be given options to trigger actions based on responses. For instance, if the answer is yes, the form will redirect to one URL. If the answer is no, you can send them somewhere else. You can create as many conditions as you need. Make sure you test your form logic to confirm it works correctly. After you've set everything up, try going through the form yourself, checking that the redirects happen as expected. A quick test ensures your users have a smooth experience and they land on the right page every time. As we wrap this up, let's go over the key takeaway. Form logic is an incredibly useful tool to redirect users to custom pages based on their responses. It's a powerful feature that can greatly enhance user experience and drive better results from your forms. If you want to implement this quickly, make sure you have the right software, like the one we use today, and take advantage of the exclusive free trial available in the description below. To quickly summarize the steps, create your form, set up the logic conditions, and test it to ensure everything works smoothly. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software in the description if you want to follow along and set this up for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.